adage location, location, location is still king and continues to be the most important factors for profitability in real estate investment. Welcome to 1865 Residences in the heart of Victoria Island. Here we have a 9-story building consisting of 4-bedroom Masionette with BQ, a luxury home selling for 140 million naira. And we have 3-bedroom luxury flats with BQ going for 120 million. You agree with me that this location is prime because it's accessible to headquarters of major company in Lagos. We have flexible payment plan with your initial deposit of 10 million. Of course, you can spread your payment for 18 months. We have facilities right here that will make living luxurious, such as gym. We have the CCTV, automated access control, laundromats, 2-car park space for you per unit. Of course, you want to call the number on the screen to come over for inspection.